How to use aloe vera gel to reduce wrinkles. You can make your own aloe vera gel. All you need is a healthy aloe vera plant, Aloe barbadensis. Wash your hands. It's important to start with clean hands and use clean tools to make sure the gel doesn't get contaminated. Slice off an outer leaf of an aloe plant. The outer leaves are more likely to be mature. They'll contain plenty of fresh, healthy gel. Since aloe vera gel is perishable, it's best not to make a huge batch at once. Cutting off just a leaf or two, especially if they're large, should be sufficient to make 1/2 to 1 cup of gel. If your plant is young, be especially careful not to cut off too much at once. Cutting off all of the outer leaves could damage the plant. Drain the resin for 10 minutes. Place the leaves upright in a cup to let the dark yellow resin drain out. The resin contains latex, which can be slightly irritating to skin. It's best to drain it out so it won't get into your gel. Peel the leaves. Use a vegetable peeler to carefully peel away the green portion of the leaves. Be sure to cut through the inner white layer to get to the gel underneath. Scoop the gel out with a spoon. The clear, soft gel is easily to scoop with a spoon. Scoop it all out into a clean bowl until there's nothing left in the leaf half. Consider mixing the gel with a natural preservative like vitamin C. If you have a lot of gel and you want to keep it for a month or two, mix in 500 mg powdered vitamin C or few drops of vitamin E oil for every 1/4 cup of gel you have. Place the ingredients together in a blender and blend well. Place the gel in a sterilized, clean glass jar. If you used the preservative, the gel will keep for several months in the refrigerator. Without it, it will keep for a week or two. Use the gel. Apply it to sunburns or other minor, surface burns. Aloe can also be used as a skin moisturizer or an ingredient in homemade body products. It should only be used on surface skin irritation. Try blending 1/2 cup aloe with 1/4 cup melted coconut oil to make a healing, moisturizing massage lotion. How to use aloe vera gel to reduce wrinkles. Here is a simple way how to use aloe vera gel to reduce wrinkles. Take a small amount of gel and massage it gently into your skin in circular motion for 3 minutes. You can mix 1 teaspoon of aloe gel and 1 vitamin E capsule and apply to areas where wrinkles are forming. Make this massage regularly every evening before bedtime, and in a few days you will notice an improvement.